Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to tag someone on Instagram from PC. So to get started, let's open web browser and log in your Instagram account. So there is no option like to create story. So in order to get that feature, we need to convert our web-based Instagram into the Android-based Instagram. For that, we need to add extension Insist. You can download this extension from Chrome Web Store. As I have already installed this extension, let me click on this icon. When I click on this, my web-based Instagram will convert into Android-based Instagram. So here it is. Now you will get the features to post story. When you click on plus icon, tap on story, and here select your photo or video and then tap on done. So when you click on it, you can add a story. So to tag someone, tap on @ and search a person or a company to whom you want to tag. So here it is, you can add the story, and in this way you can tag someone on a story. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.